All right, you guys, now it's time. You know how to record the video, you know to keep it in the boundaries, and now I want to show you how to make those words pop in and out. So maybe you've seen the videos where the person does this and the words pop up. It's magic. Well, you can make this magic too. All right, so I have pre-recorded a video, and so I'm gonna come down here and click and get to my camera roll. And I've done this video. I took off the sound just for recording purposes, but usually if I did a video like this, I would have music behind it, but since I'm recording over it. So a lot of people have been doing pointing videos, and you want those words to pop up at just the right time. And now I don't do a lot of pointing videos anymore, but I think this really will help you illustrate, it'll help me illustrate how you get the words to pop up. So I'm gonna hit this over here. And then, so I'm done recording, I have it. So I'm going to hit this button right here, and it's going to take me over to here. And this is where I can add text. You're gonna hit up here, you're gonna see the big A and the little a. You're gonna hit there, and this is where you're gonna say, write your text. So you can say, hi. And if you click this square with an A and 2 stars in it, then it will make it different color. Now this could be different depending on your device when you updated your, so this might not look exactly like mine, and that's okay. But down here I can scroll over to different fonts. I can click the color wheel up at the top and it'll change my font. I can click there, but I really want to do, this is the easiest for me to see. So I'm going to keep it there, and I'll hit done. Now when I do that, let's see, where do I hit first? So when I do that, so I want it to be right above where my finger is, so I can drag that. Then down here at the bottom with the hi highlighted, do you see how it's white? This means that I'm controlling the length of that hi. So if I wanted it to pop in, then I could move it over here to the left. I'm going to move that over. And right when I hit the ha, then it pops up. So you can see, watch this. So did you see how it popped in? I know it was a little bit late, so I can drag it back. Okay, so let's try that. So when I watch it, there we go. Okay, then if I didn't want it to be there the whole time, I can drag the white part on the right down here, and I can decide how long I want it to last. Okay. So watch this. You're going to see it pop in, and then it goes away. You can see it, but it's transparent. When it's that dull color, that means that it's still there, but you won't be able to see it in your video. So let's add I'm Michelle. Click on there to change the color. And I think I do it right here. So I can drag this over, and when the hi goes away and my finger goes to there, that's when I want I'm Michelle to pop up. And so I don't want that to stay very long. All right, so let's try that. Oops. Okay, so do you see that white, how it's highlighted down here? Just that from the white on the left to the white on the right, that is how long it's gonna be there. So watch this. Hi, and then I'm gonna point, I'm Michelle. Okay. I remember that was up there, so I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna come over, and then right when my thing hits, then I'll stop it there. Okay, let's add change my color, because well, why not? You can stay on brand if you want, but I'm just doing this to show you quickly. Then hit, hit, hit. 'Hit, hit, hit, 'Hit, 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 Okay, now I have one last one. Okay, so then I'm going to drag that over. All right, so let's look at what that reel looks like. Pop, 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 and then pop. Okay, so let's say if I wanted to do any editing, then what I would do is down here, the words that are down here at the bottom that are highlighted are the ones that I'm editing. So I could move over to this one, and this one's and business strategy. I can click on the high, and that would be me editing the high. So if you want to go back and edit any of the words that you've already like set the timer for, you can always do that just by down here at the bottom, clicking on the words that you want to edit, and then you can make it last the whole time, or you can do whatever you want. So that is how you get words to pop in and out of Reels.